Hey there, Ramen Beard. I don't know what you're up to today, but we're digging holes in stuff. You got Kramer on the old Ford 5600 out here at Ranchito Bollinger, putting in a culvert, doing some digging. We got the pipe in, scraped off some topsoil here, brought out the plow, kept some of the topsoil so we can still grow some stuff, not have a bare patch out here. I took a little break from the tractor. Kramer hopped on, doing some digging. If only we had a bulldozer, right? Sorry for the low lighting. It's about 5:45 right now. Sun's going down. We had a little flat tire issue. Had to run home, get the air compressor from the Bob's. So we're making it work. Here's the business end. Oh gosh. Oh no, Jim Bob, it's gonna fall on you. Oh. All right, I gotta scrape out a bucket, Cambo. We'll see you soon.